One of the hallmarks of the quality furniture from Three Birds Casual is its durability and ease of care. Your teak furniture is designed and built for simple, easy maintenance. Teak has been well known for centuries for its quality, beauty, and durability, naturally resistant to moisture, rot, warping, shrinking, and splintering, and will last for decades in all climates. There's no need to oil, stain, or wax teak products. Our furniture is weatherproof and naturally resilient. If needed, clean your furniture periodically with gentle soap and water. Otherwise, just let Mother Nature do the cleaning. You can let teak furniture naturally weather to a silver gray, or you can use our teak protector to help keep the golden wood color. There are a few easy steps we recommend when cleaning our teak furniture. It can be as simple as hosing down your teak. When needed, simply clean your furniture with Three Birds Casual Teak Cleaner or soapy water. This will remove some of the patina and make the wood a lighter color. For more difficult stains, our furniture can be lightly sanded, or as a last resort, you can use a power washer to bring back the natural color. Just be careful with the pressure you use. Our goal at Three Birds Casual is to produce long-lasting furniture that is as beautiful and functional as it is durable and easy to maintain.